Some people have asked how to do a table. Let's first look at what we've got here. Now, in this particular item, we have a number of tables already created. And in these tables, if we look at the table, we can see that in the view, these are the text fields that we've set up for each of the tables. Now, let's assume for a moment that we don't have any of this information in here. So I'm going to close this and let's go now to where it says database tool, excuse me, to create. And I'm going to go here to where it says more forms, and I'm going to click on Form Wizard. Form Wizard comes up and it makes it real easy for creating this. It identifies or asks you, where do you want to get the information? Well, I want to get information from the table called drivers. Since I've already created that, that's the one that I want to use. And in this case, I'm going to input all of these fields because I want all these fields in my form. Next, I could set up a columnar type of form, a tabular form, a data sheet, or one that's justified. But for our purposes, we're going to do a columnar. And next, it asks you which type you would prefer. Depending on the directions, you can use any one of these. I'm going to use Metro. And here it gives you a chance to title it, drivers, and it says open the form in view. So at this point, you can see what it would look like. Now, I've already inputted the information into the tables, but if it was a blank, it would just show that, and I would simply go to the end. And I'm going to input one here. You can see this is the automatic number. I hit tab. I can put in 333. 556666. Put in last name, dummy. First name is Ima. Address for street, Fort Wayne, Indiana, 6644 44668 or 7. Okay, and then I hit return, and there it is. I can go back one. And you can see there is the file that I put in. If we went to the actual table here and we looked at it, you'll see it right here. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the form, and in this particular case, I'm going to go here, and I don't want this particular one in here anymore. And I really do want to delete this. So what I'm going to do is go to drivers. I'm going to highlight this one here, and I'm just going to delete that record. And there we go. Okay? So that gives you a quick look at how you go about creating a form called drivers based on this view that you've established. This is all the field names, and these are the data types. And of course, when you input the data, this is what you're going to be inputting. Okay? So if you have any questions, give me a call back.